How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So again, we are making another hickey video, you guys, but it's going to be a little bit differently because we are going based on the subscribers. That's how these hickey videos are going to go from now on. Whatever the subscribers are asking in the comment section, then that's kind of how we'll go with it. So this question from the subscriber wants to know, can you get rid of a hickey with a banana peel? So never talked about this in any of my videos before. Kind of a little bit of a doozy of a question. And I have no idea, to be honest, a banana peel. I've never heard of that before. You can try it, but there is, I just don't see it coming off extremely quickly by using a banana peel. Maybe in a couple of days, maybe that it might help. But in like my way, the way that I do it takes 2 to 5 minutes tops to get rid of your hickey. So for anyone watching the video that's new, that you're trying to get rid of a hickey, all you have to do is simply rub a coin or use a spoon and rub that on your hickey for roughly 2 to 5 minutes. That will completely get rid of your hickey. It will leave your neck, generally get hickeys on the neck, it will leave your neck red for 5 to 10 minutes. Then the redness will go away, and then your hickey will also be gone as well. So it definitely does work. That is the quickest way that I know to get rid of a hickey. Literally 2 to 5 minutes and it's completely gone. But again, this subscriber is asking about a banana peel. The only thing I can say to you, my subscriber, is to try out the banana peel, I guess. Try it out. Try out the technique. See what happens. If it comes off in 2 minutes, well, that's amazing, but I highly doubt that. It might take a day, it might take 2 days, it might take 3 days. I don't know, but my guess is it probably won't work, or that it'll take multiple days to get rid of. So that's my opinion on it, subscriber. Hopefully I did answer your question. That's gonna be the end of the video. I wanted to talk about that. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999.